This is just like a magical potion. Even you can drink this one, replacing your drinking water, and you get used to it. An African lady just taught me how to do this, and she told me if you really want to lose weight, just have a sip of this one every morning and night, or just during the day if you want, because it tastes nice, and after 10 days you'll see the big change in your body. So this is really healthy. It's got lots of health benefits, and also it can maximize your weight loss plan. Let me show you how to do this according to that African lady, the way that she taught me. I'm gonna teach you.